Kan tapos makan si Ara. Wait.
Because we're going to say the house of your parents. Going to college. Thank you. Love you. Happy birthday. More blessings to come in your life. Dami. Uyab. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Take care always and God bless you. Ayap uyab, okay.
Bebek.
Uy, manami tayo dito sa kuwan. Happy birthday na son. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Hope you have a good. Hey! Ito na. Kaya humana ko kayo. Nanak ko.
Kuha, tawatiwas.